Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to request special meals on Condor Airlines. The first thing I'd like you to do is to create or open up your Condor Airlines account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how do you create an account on Condor? Pretty simple. Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type condor.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Condor. Once you get into the official website, check the top right corner of your screen where you have the My Condor tab. Click on that and follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. After signing up successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic window where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Condor. Now let's hop into today's topic: how to request special meals on Condor. From your homepage, head over to the top corner of your screen where you have this booking plan, flight preparation, fly and enjoy, get inspired, my booking and carriers. Click on fly and enjoy. It's going to take you right here to this extended window where you have this travel classes, on board, special assistance, and Condor and partner. So head over to on board. You have these two options: food and beverages and in-flight entertainment. So go ahead and click on food and beverages. It takes you here. Find out about how in-flight catering in economy class on short, medium, and long haul flight. You're going to see all of these options. So short and medium haul or long haul. So let's say it's a long haul. You can click on that, and once you click on that, it's going to take you to this window. For those starting their holiday with a lofty appetite and would like to treat themselves, a Trickers Premium and Gourmet menus are just the thing. So you can pre-order starting from $22 to 27 Canadian dollars. So over here, scroll to the menu, Simply Delicious, our premium menus, and click on Order Now. So you have this classic premium menu, and there's a delicious cold meal with a hot meal starting at this. Kids premium menu and vegetarian premium menu. So you can click on this Order Now button. As you click on Order Now button, it's going to take you here where you're going to have to log in to your booking. Once you enter all of these and click on continue, then you'll be able to request and be able to check out and place an order for your special menu based on your order. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.